Enabling debug logging feature. In this short video, you will see how to enable and use debug feature. First, we will start configuring the logging panel, enabling the logging panel through JMeter properties. Also, you can configure the maximum number of lines kept in the log viewer panel. By default, it is set to 1000. Ensure that you do not make it very large number because of the performance issues. Also, you can set a property to get all the events recorded into log viewer panel even when it is closed. Let's open user.properties file within your bin directory and set the property to enable log viewer open when JMeter is started. By default, it is set to false and we are enabling it with the user.properties file. Let's start JMeter with the last open test plan. I have a pre-configured test plan. JMeter is getting started. And you can see in the bottom the logging panel is open. Enlarge the view. You can click this button to clear the log events. You can enable disable by clicking this icon or from the option menu. Let's set the logging level to off. By default it is info in my case, and set it to off, and let's see the log entries in these components JSSR, preprocessor and the sampler. I have few log entries with different logging levels. Let's select component and enable the logging from the help menu, and let's run and see how it works. And you can see the log entries only from that particular component is getting logged into the log viewer panel. Now let's select the second one and from the help menu enable the debugging feature. Let's clean everything and run it again, and you can see login coming from both the components. So this is very useful feature. You can enable the logging for a specific component and continue to work on them. You can set common log level with the log level setting window. Let's move into the documentation section available for this configuration. You can see the properties that you can set to set the maximum number of settings. Also from the properties reference, you can see the related properties and you can set them in the user.properties and get them effective.